This is the Astra Fellowship web page, and according to them, let me just go down to where they wrote it on their web page. Look at here. According to them, over 80% of Astra's first cohort are now working full-time in AI safety roles in organizations such as Redwood Research, METRO, Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, DeepMind, Center. I know a whole lot of them. Now, this is to let you know that when you apply as a mind researcher, remember what they are saying here. The talent they are trying to hire, it's somebody who can research, somebody who can think. If you have that AI safety research talent or skill, or you know how to use AI, then you can apply for this role. Now, let's look down and see more things about this. You're going to see the company that they mentioned. We have OpenAI, Redwood Research, Forethought, Safe, ACS, and you're going to see all that here. So now let's look at who they are actually looking for. Okay, because this is very important so that you would know if you belong here, if you qualify for this. Now, here we are looking for talented people that are excited to pursue new ideas and projects that advance safe AI. You may be a strong fit if you, number one, are motivated to reduce catastrophic risk from advanced AI, being technical or domain specific experience relevant to the focus areas of empirical research and strategy governance, would like to transition into full-time AI safety role, or start your own AI safety focused organization. Now, so they are majorly looking out for people who are interested in AI. And of course, you know that this channel, I post more on AI remote jobs. Of course, I still post other remote jobs, but more of AI remote jobs. So if you qualify for this role, then what I would say is this: just go down, check the pinned comment, you would see the link to this page. Now click on this place that says register your interest. Now, first of all, let me go back before we click on this register your interest. There's something I need to show you here, so that it doesn't look like my thumbnail or title is somehow. This is exactly what they said they are going to be giving out. The monthly stipend they said they will give. Let me just look for it on the web page so that you can see. And look at it here. Under this fellowship benefit, will provide the resources and support needed for fellows to pursue their full-time research. Stipends, a monthly stipend of this amount, you're going to see that for the duration of the program, and it's a 5 months program. Okay, they are running it a 5 months program. So if you qualify for this, then this is what you may get. Now let's look at how to apply for this. Just click on this place that says where is that place again? That's register your interest. I think it's at the top. So click on register your interest, and it brings you down to this place. You're going to see Astra Fellowship expression of interest, constellation, and then here you're going to see where you can fill out these details. Okay, fill out this form. You put your first name, put the one that is on your legal certificate, maybe your national ID card or voter's card or international passport. Put the legal name, okay? And then you're going to see these other fields are optional, but these ones are the most important one. But then fill out this one, fill all of them, especially this place that says your resume, because this is what is going to distinguish you from others. Your resume is going to distinguish you from others. Now, may I use this opportunity to let you know that there's an AI toolkit that's going to help you get a good standard resume. And not just that, if you scroll down here, you're going to see a place that says feel free to share any notes that would help us understand your interest and background here. Now, there is a prompt in that AI toolkit that you can use to get the right notes. Okay, remember, they're going to read this, and this is going to be the difference between you and others. So get the toolkit. It's really going to help you. Yes, because some of the ideas that I got that landed me my second remote job after my horrible first remote job that was paid $10, it's actually what I shared in that toolkit. And since it helped me, there is a possibility that it might also help you, right? So you fill out all of these details and then you submit it, and then hope that they may reach out to you. No guarantees that they will reach out to you. There is no guarantees, but fill out this form in faith. If you fill out this form in faith, there is a possibility that they may call you. Okay. But thank you guys for watching. And I wish you all the best in your online job career. And if you want to make it much easier, get a toolkit. Okay, get it. It's going to make the job much easier for you. Right, guys? Thanks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification. And please hit the thumbs up on this video so that a lot of other people will see it. And please share with anyone you know has interest in AI and qualifies for this role. Please share it with them. You are doing them good as well.